Warning, the number of views you have are not as they appear. For instance, if you have only 200 views, that's 200 people. How would you feel if you were in a room with 200 people watching you? Would you be scared, nervous, excited? Would you be thrilled that you had 200 people that were actively listening to you? Here's what just 100 people look like. Now double that. That is 200 people watching you. Okay, now what happens if you go viral for you and you hit 10,000 people? 10,000 people. Do you guys see that? That is so many people. Would you be scared and nervous to talk to 10,000 people now? And now finally, your video has totally blown up and it's gone to over 100,000 people. Well, 100,000 people looks like this. 100,000 people. Just because you feel like 200 views isn't all that much doesn't mean it's actually not that many views. Because it's a lot. You're reaching 200 people that you've never reached before necessarily. And that's a lot of people. So don't get discouraged by 200 views because it's still a lot of people.